In this video, we'll learn how to hold the crochet hook and yarn. There are two popular methods of holding a crochet hook. The first one is a knife grip. In this method, you hold the hook with your thumb and index finger over the finger hold. Your hand is on top of the crochet hook and other fingers form a nice curl over the hook. The second method is the pencil grip. It's just like holding a pen or pencil to write. The thumb and the index finger are holding the hook and the hook rests on the middle finger. In this method, your hand is below the hook. There are many other ways to hold a hook, but always the hook point is facing you. Let's learn how to hold the yarn. Working yarn is usually held in the non-dominant hand, so a right-handed person will hold the yarn in their left hand. This hand will help to feed the yarn to the hook and will also control the tension over the yarn. There is no right or wrong way of holding the yarn. Choose whichever way you feel the most comfortable with. In the first method, take the yarn and bring it up between your little finger and ring finger. Place it below your ring finger and middle finger and bring it over the top of index finger. The tension over the yarn is managed by the little finger and index finger. With your middle finger and thumb, hold the slip stitch on the hook. The working yarn should be held a little tight. In the second method, the little finger manages the tension over the yarn. Take the working yarn and bring it up between the little finger and ring finger. Wrap the yarn around your little finger to form a loop. Now grip the yarn with your index finger and thumb for more control. When you open your hands, the yarn will flow freely and form loose stitches. And when you tighten your hand, you'll have tight stitches. In the third method, you simply bring the yarn between the little finger and ring finger and bring it over the top of index finger and allow the index finger and the thumb to manage the tension over the working yarn. For the fourth method, again take the working yarn, bring it up between your little finger and ring finger and wrap it around the index finger multiple times. In this method, the index finger does the most work of managing tension over the working yarn. Reduce or increase the number of loops over the index finger to manage the tension. If you are an absolute beginner and finding it difficult to use any of the methods, use this simple pick and flip method. With the non-dominant hand, pick the working end of the yarn and flip it over the hook. Always bring the yarn from back to front. Hold on to the yarn so that you are able to pull through the loop. Again, pick the yarn, flip it over the hook. Hold on to the yarn as well as the slip stitch on the hook. And then pull through the loop. Although this method is very slow, but with practice you'll automatically develop a comfortable yarn hold and holding a hook and yarn will come naturally to you.